Hey everybody, my name's Richard. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like if this means something to you. I'm one of the first in the UK to get the new AOOCCI BX. Let's have a look at it. First thing, it's quick release. You can take it off and put it in your bag. Undo this and put it in your bag or whatever. Put it in your top box and it goes on as easy as that. There we go. As you already know, it's an emulator for your mobile phone, so it's got everything in here that you would see on your mobile phone. You can see I've got Waze there, WhatsApp, Google Maps, Apple Maps, and of course this is available for Android as well. Yeah, I can do everything on here. I can take phone calls, I can see messages, I can dictate messages. Yeah, I can dictate messages and send them while riding. Not that I'm recommending that you do that. Yeah, and this is just a quick look at this AOOCCI BX. It's absolutely wonderful. Let's go to the main menu of the system, and this is a short video, but notice here it's got TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system. Absolutely wonderful. Recorder, so it's recording here on the camera's front and rear. That's the rear camera. That's the front camera. Just like the C6 Pro, yeah, but in a better quality. This is absolutely wonderful. Radar. It's got a radar on the bike which shows this screen. So it's warning you that people are coming up behind you and doing whatever it is that they're doing. So you've got an advance warning that vehicles are coming up by the side or really close to you at a fast speed. Let's have a look around the bike. Here's the front camera. Absolutely wonderful. A bit of a better design than the C6 Pro. Bit of a bigger camera. Let's go around the bike. Let's just adjust this. Here we go. And on the bike, there's the radar. And there's the rear camera. It's easy to fit. Hope you enjoyed this. I think it's the first video in the UK for the AOOCCI BX. I think it's with my discount of £80. I think the net price is about 280, so get your order in. It really is good. Is there anything I forgot? I don't think I have done, but it's absolutely wonderful. Let's just check. Let's just turn off the system. Let's turn off the system and reboot it. Yeah, see how quick it comes up. See how quick it comes up? That's unbelievable. And straight to maps. Yeah, it's super quick. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I say, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like if it meant something to you. Look in the description for a link to the AOOCCI website. Go on to motorcycles and you'll see the brand new BX. You should be getting it for around £280 with my discount. Don't forget to use my discount code. See you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.